You know, I never thought this day would come, but here I am. I'm going to be trying CapCut. For those who are new, I am a Premiere Pro editor. I've been editing for about 6 years or so. I'm not too sure, but I've been making edits for 4 years. These are my edits on the screen, which gives you an idea of what kind of experience I have so far. But yeah, I've never used CapCut before. I've never used CapCut on phone. I've tried to use After Effects and, well, I failed. It went horrible. So yeah, I'm gonna try CapCut. This is what the finished edit looks like. I hope it's good. I can't see it because I haven't actually started. To be honest, it shouldn't be too difficult. I think CapCut, well, it looks easy or easier than other software and applications. Like, you've got all these presets, even though I don't think I'm going to be using presets. Massive effects, what's this, power searching tools, keyframes and graphs, very useful. See, Premiere Pro doesn't, well, actually it does have something like this which people aren't actually aware of. Color wheel, so for color grading, not bad. And AI, this seems to be like a phrase that they keep on mentioning. Even here at the very top, they talk about massive AI features. I really don't think I'm going to be using it. Whilst that downloads, let's just take a look at this. So what else can you do? I assume this here is like time remapping or velocity. It controls the speed of your clip, so that's going to be useful. I'm definitely going to be doing that. In fact, I actually do have a few notes written down, so I'm going to start with, you know, obviously importing and cutting clips, time remapping, making some transitions, so mostly focusing on zoom or scale transitions. Gonna try and animate some text, even though that's probably going to be very difficult. Luckily, I think, as I said, they do have presets, so it shouldn't be too much of a problem. And then anything else, extra effects, distortion, glitches, anything really. Let's see where we're at. It's testing the environment. I don't know what that means. Your computer can run CapCut smoothly. That's very good. That's great to know. It's my first time seeing a message like this. I've never seen like anything do some sort of compatibility test, but let's just confirm. And here we are. I've just gone full screen. So yeah, let's create a new project. Where did you hear about CapCut? I heard it from, well, just heard it really. YouTube, I suppose. Next, where do you plan to share your creations? YouTube. Actually, I'm not even going to be using CapCut. I think I'll select YouTube anyway. Oh wait, I can cancel out. I'm just going to do that. Okay, I've clicked create project. So you can, this is where you import your material. So all my videos, sorry, assets, images, all that stuff. Next, drag them onto the timeline. Okay, simple stuff. Wait, do I have to follow this? I already know how to do it, so it's fine. Drag the effect onto the timeline. Okay, on top or onto it like that. Play and preview. Next, export video. Okay, cool. Let me just play it. I don't really know what I'm looking at. Is that like a blur transition? Okay, cool. Thank you. Right, I've actually got some clips. Let me just find it. I'm going to be using Demon Slayer. So the episode where, I think it was from the movie actually. I didn't really watch it, but yeah, this one. I first of all want to get rid of the audio, so right click. Where is it? I need to remove the audio. So is it extract audio maybe or not? Where is it? I don't think it's extract audio. If I do that, it's gonna, oh no, that's perfect. That separates it. Then I can delete it. I'm just gonna put my headphones on. Any audio? No. Okay, perfect. Cool. Okay, now I'm going to, how do you scroll? Like zoom in. I'm holding alt, so it's not really working. Hold on, you have to do it manually. Hold on, is there like control or something instead? Okay, yeah, control and then the scroll wheel to zoom in and out. It's a bit inconvenient, but it's fine. I think you probably can change it. Okay, I'm gonna find some clips now. So let's start with this one. So how do you cut? Is it the same as Premiere? C maybe? And then no. Okay, is it like After Effects? Control Shift D? No, it's not. Control C? No, that's copy. What am I doing? Let's look for, where is it? The little like icons anywhere. These ones. Split. It's B to split. Okay, it's B to split. So I'm gonna start here. B. Oh no, sorry, that selects the tool. So B. Okay, that's much easier to be honest. And then I'm gonna go forwards. I'm gonna time remap it up to here. I don't even know if you can time remap without like plugins. Assuming there are plugins in CapCut. I'm not sure. And then go back to normal. So oh, it's not V. Or is it A? Okay, that's a very weird keybind. And then to ripple delete, cause you know. Hold on, wait. No, sorry, that's the clip that I want. Wait, what did I just do? When I deleted this, it just pushed it forward. Oh, that's perfect. Okay, that makes it much easier. I can just find my other clips. So first clip, it's probably not even going to be that long, so I don't really know what I'm doing. Second one will be, let's see, that one looks pretty nice. Maybe like this one as well. So B, I don't know what I just did. I did something. Let me cut that, play, cut that, and then sorry, no, is it A, delete. Perfect. I've got 2 clips so far. By the way, I don't have any music because, well, I was too lazy to get some, and also copyright. But yeah, it shouldn't be a problem. This one looks cool. I like that sword slash. I'm gonna get that one, and then I'm gonna remap it like this maybe, and then like that. I don't know, something like that. Then go back, press A, highlight, delete on my keyboard. Okay, for now, that's all I'm going to do. Let's just try working with these 3 clips because, you know, I don't really want to waste time getting my clips and then realizing I can't actually time remap them. That's going to be a bit embarrassing. So yeah, let's go with these. How many frames are they? Can you like, yeah, okay, perfect. 5, 10. So that's, wait, hold on. My sequence, is it 24? How do I check? Let's assume it's just 24 because these are raw clips. At least I think so. Yeah, let's just try working with these. So first of all, what did I say? Time remapping? Yep, okay, so that first one's done. Time remapping. Okay, let me try and figure this out without watching a tutorial because first of all, that's going to waste my time. I'm not even going to be using CapCut in the future, I think. So let's go, maybe right click, where would it be? Not here. Would it be speed up here? And then where would it be? Curve? Yes, I think this might be it. No, wait, I have to remove the what's it called? Whoops, don't press that. I need to get rid of the still frames first. And then wait, can you nest clips as well? So if I like highlight these 2, would it be compound clip? Sounds like it. Yes, that's basically, and if you open it up, okay, perfect, awesome. So I'm just gonna go through this. So every few frames, so right there, make a cut. Can you use arrow keys? 1, 2, yeah, perfect. Okay, I've cut down my clips. That took a bit longer than it should have, but what I'm gonna do now is turn them into 1 frame. Wait, no, that's not working. Hold on. It's dragging my other clips as well. I can't grab the edge of it only. That is so annoying. Wait, no, that's okay, right? Oh, sorry, I thought it was extending my second one, but it's not, so that's okay. In fact, that's easier, so just keep on doing that. When I made that After Effects video, I got stuck with time remapping. It seems to always be an issue when I use new software. But yeah, I've got my clips, so what I'm going to do is now compound them, whatever that means, and I'm going to go to, where are the settings? Swales here somewhere. Effects? No. Adjustment? Where would it be? It said speed somewhere. I don't, was it up here? Where's it gone? If I click away, hold on. No, if I select the clip, there you go. It was speed and then curve and custom. There you go. So, okay, let's remap this. I don't even know if this is going to work. So I wanted to start off quick. So like maybe like that. Is that even, wait, no, it's stuck. Okay. And then what? I just broke it. So basically I wanted to slow down like this and then get faster like here. So maybe something like that. It looks so ugly, but yeah, hopefully it works. Let's try this. Let me just put that down there like that. This is going to be awesome. Wait, no, that's not even going to work, is it? Smooth slow-mo. There you go. Wait, is it working? No way, I didn't even realize. And it's also got optical flow. Perfect. Well, that's what I'm going to go for. So yeah, let's see how this looks. If I just play it back. I mean, wait, is it working? That looks really good, but wait, it hasn't really worked. It's supposed to slow down. So slow down. Why is it not slowing down? If I maybe, do I have to go even more down, like down here? So slow down, maybe like from here like that. Press that down. Come on, go down. There you go. And then up here maybe? I can't really drag this one. Okay, let's try that. There you go. This, I think I did it. No way. This actually looks awesome. I think it's easier to time remap in CapCut. Wait, should I make tutorials? If I manage to learn CapCut soon, quick, hopefully, then I may as well make tutorials. What do you guys think? I could make a time remapping tutorial. You know, obviously better than this example. But look at this. Amazing. That's perfect. That is so good, honestly. That is, wow. I am going to increase it a bit more though, like here, so that it speeds up. So I'm going to start it off really quick. I can't really push that up. Wait, how do you like drag this up to 10 times? Because right now it's just above 1, but I don't know. It's not really working. That's fine though. That is awesome. And that actually looks really good as well. Like there aren't many warps, maybe here, but that makes sense. Of course, there's going to be warps no matter what you do. But yeah, overall, that's cool. So yeah, I'm going to, should I time remap the other ones? Yeah, let's do it. I'll be back. Look at this. It just stops. Like here, these final few frames, they're really stiff. I don't know how to fix that. I've been trying for a while. It's not really working. So I might be a bit screwed unless I use like are these presets? I think they are. Yeah, does that work? Probably not, no, because look how short it is. I don't know what to do. I also don't know how to copy over effects. Well, like, well, not effects, but the settings for this, what am I saying? I'm sorry, speed, ramp, velocity, time remap, whatever the hell it's called. I don't know how to copy it over to my other clip. So yeah, I'm a bit stuck. I think I'll leave it at that though. Yep, those are 2 stiff frames like that. Anyways, so far this is what I've got, and I think I'm really happy with it. Take a look. That is awesome, isn't it? Don't you think? Like, for the first time, not so bad at all. So, I'm going to start by, what am I doing? Making shakes or something? Zoom scale. Oh, I forgot. Yeah, okay. Where do I go? Basic. Okay, found it. Transform. So, if I set, I assume that's a keyframe. So, at that, but where do you actually see the keyframe stuff? Like, is it custom? no, adjustment. I don't even know. I'm going to make a scale in. So 100 and no, let's go 200 at the beginning like that. And then all the way to... Wait, can you do zoom outs though as well? Like, you know, like with a mirror? I don't even know if that's possible. Let's see. Auto reframe, motion blur, AI movement, or whatever that means. There's not. Unless I look for the effect. So maybe it's called, is it called mirror? There you go. It's searching or loading mirror. Is this it? What? I don't even know what I did. Did I add it? I don't want to add too many effects, so I don't... Wait, where's effects? Let me drag it on top like that. There you go. So, and then just delete this. So I only want it... Actually, no, I do want it for the others, but let me just try it on this first clip for now. So if I select that and seems like there's no settings. Perfect. Or maybe it's called reflect rather than mirror. No, it doesn't seem like it. So how do people make those zoom out transitions with like the, you know, the edges mirrored plus with motion blur, which hides them? I don't know. Maybe I can't do zoom outs for now. So I'll stick to zoom ins or just simple zoom out. So if I had, where was it? The keyframe right here, I think. And then turn that down to 100 like that. There you go. Now, where do I actually find the graph? Is it this button here? No, I don't know what that did. I don't know what I'm doing. Sorry, I'm just pressing Ctrl Z, hoping it would get fixed. How do I graph this now? Because usually in Premiere Pro, there's a section here where like it's called effect controls, but this doesn't really have anything like that. I don't see it. Where's the graph editor? Is it animation? No, it's not. Or maybe because they keep on mentioning this pro, join pro. It's only for pro. You need to get pro. Maybe it's only a feature for pro people, pro users, whatever that means, which means I might be stuck with a very stiff transition for now. Yeah, I can't find it. I'm so sorry. Seems like CapCut on PC is different for some reason. So you can't really, I don't think you can graph. I don't really, oh wait, what's this? I see something down here. Never mind, that does nothing. Maybe it's here somewhere. It's got to be like, oh, show keyframe animation. Hold on. Is this it? The graph editor? Looks a bit small, but should be okay. Let me just extend it. If that's possible, maybe not. Is that it? I see it. There you go. No way. We've done it finally. It's got presets, I think. So what do I want to do? I want it to... I want like a graph like that. No, wait. No, sorry. It should be flipped. So if I grab that keyframe, can I stop doing that? Hold on. Let me just zoom in and scroll. So this... I can't even grab it. How do you guys edit like this? I mean, I know most of you use a phone, but like still, I don't understand. It doesn't make sense. You need a lot of patience for this. Graphs, there you go. Which one? It should... It's none of these because I want it to kind of like dip like that towards the bottom left. I'll try easing anyway, wherever that does. No, that doesn't really work. Oh, but I've got a handle now, I think. Huh? I can't... Wait, what's going on? It's telling me something. Cancel. There you go. Perfect. Okay, that's working. Let me just... Oh, there you go. So they both had handles the whole time, I think. Let me just put that there. Grab that down as well. Actually, I think that's fine. Let me just see. Okay, perfect. I just need to make a scale in now as well. So if I head to the end, maybe like here. I don't know if you have to head one frame back like in Premiere Pro, just so it actually shows. But I'm going to change this to 200 and grab this one as well. So grab this, all that. Like that. Wait, if I push this up, would that change? Yeah, okay, that changes the actual scale. So I don't know if I want that. How do I... Where's the handle for this? Where do I grab graphs? Like that? Okay, well, sure, that works as well. I'll just put that maybe like there. Let's see how that looks, even though there's no motion blur. But it's fine. Not bad, I guess. I wish it looked better, honestly. I think I can do better. I'm just a bit short on time, but I want to copy these keyframes and add them onto my other clips as well. So if I just highlight them, Control C. I don't even know if this is possible. Control V. Does that work? I see keyframes. Yes. There you go. Perfect. I've got to zoom out, even though that's very stiff. Let's tweak them up a bit. So if I just double click, extend it. What did I even do? Open it. Yep. Okay. And I'm going to press this one just here, maybe. Grab this one. How do you like just get the hand? Do you have to select a preset? Oh, wait, I see it. It's right there. If I can grab it. Come on. Grab it. It's right there. You've got to be kidding. I can't even grab the handle. Okay, sure. Preset it is. Preset. Graphs. Which one? This one, I don't really know. That's messed it up. Place it down here, and this one, I can't even select it. This one down there. Thank you. Perfect. And let's see. That's kind of broken it. I'm not sure why. Maybe it's this handle here. Let me just go back. Maybe it's supposed to be like that, and then this one's supposed to be like that, so it's not dipping. There you go. That should be okay. I'm not too sure. So if I just play it through, nah, it's still showing. Let me just push that up. Oh, sorry, I think it's the value itself. Wait, how does that even make sense? It shouldn't be the value itself, but apparently it is. So, this is so boring. Oh, apparently I can change it from here. So if I just push that up to like 1 or 1, sure, anything's fine. Zoom out, done. By the way, you can also add keyframes by holding shift and clicking, and it just adds a keyframe like that. So why am I teaching you? I mean, maybe you didn't know that either. but yeah, let me just right click graphs, click that, okay, and push this back like so. And I'm just going to repeat this with my other clips because it's so boring. Okay, so far this is what I've got, okay, but I know it looks like absolute trash. I have no idea how to improve it, so I'm gonna add some flicker to hide my mistakes. Black flash, isn't that from, no, I won't even say it, I'm sorry. Anyway, flicker, this one, let's add that on. Looks a bit funky, I think. Don't really like that one. Maybe strobe, it's like strobe light from Premiere Pro. Yeah, something like that, to be honest, but with a lower speed. Yeah, that's it, I think. So maybe like 60. No, that's a bit too strong. Maybe like 25. Sure, I guess that works. B, let me cut this. Wait, no, sorry, no, let me cut it there. A, delete. And now it's time to add, what can I add really? We've got motion blur. I don't know what it means by motion blur. Is it like RSMB where it just adds automatic? What am I looking at? Colorless flash. Look at this. That's awesome. So I'm just gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and cut it there, right there. A, delete this. Look at this. That looks weird. So I'm just gonna maybe, I don't even know. I thought these were automatic. Like it automatically I don't know. This is not going well. Can I like fade it out or something? You know, I'll use it as a one framer. So like here. So if I, whoa, timeline, chill. Okay, take a look. That's pretty okay, right? So let's go add, these are some weird presets, I can't lie. A shockwave? Why is there a shockwave? Just a random shockwave. Couldn't download effects. Download? Shouldn't these already be? Wait, hold on. Why'd you have to download these effects? They should be built in, but apparently not. Yeah, this one's not working. I don't really understand that. Let's go edge glow. Maybe like when he drops down. So like just here. Edge glow on this. All right. Don't worry. I won't abandon this final clip just because it's a bit stiff. There you go. That looks horrible, but it's fine. I'll turn it up. I'm not even going to bother keyframing this. That looks good enough to me. Something called a vibration flash. I don't really know what that means, but I'm going to cut that to about 2 frames, delete the rest, and add it in between 2 clips. And now we've got an awesome shake. Look at that. Is that even, hold on. Oh, it's not even, it's not even working. Well, let's pretend it works. That looks awesome, doesn't it, guys? So let's add some blink. Okay, blink, sure. We'll add some blink. Let me go B, A, delete. Maybe some blink here because, you know, Tundro looks at him. So, you know, it blinks. Like you got a blink here. So if I just blink, yeah. Blink. Where's the blink? Let me place it on top and let me actually extend these like that and then place them down. Push that there. There you go. Look at that. Blink transition. Perfect. In fact, I'll just push it back a bit more. So you got a blink. There you go. Isn't that awesome? Jitter. Is that like a Twitch shake? I'll add that on to the very start and I'm going to extend it to maybe 5, no, 10. Is that 10? 5 frames? No, that's too short then, isn't it? Where is the jitter? I don't even see it. Hold on. I don't see jitter, so let me increase the range, max it out. There you go. We've got Twitch shakes. No way. It's very like subtle, but yeah. Twitch shake. I'll add it there as well. So let me just duplicate this. Hold Alt. Right underneath the what is that? I don't know what that is. It's something, but yeah, I think I did it. But yeah, that's the edit. I'm so sorry. I'm short on time, but there will be a part 2. And if this video gets 200 likes, I will try CapCut on mobile. Except this time, I will actually try to make a full edit. Monthly supporters, thank you so very much as always. And I'll see you next time. Peace.